meghalayapost.news.
Ka Meghalaya Congress kan saya trelang bat ke TMC nagbenta ban Kyrshan yu Dr. Mukul Sangma Kum Nongialam Liang Pyrshah hapo kayang darbar tauan. Ya kani la pentikana ba Roni Wilingdo bat ulong ba kani gejing Kyrshan yu Dr. Mukul wan simti ka kam Nongialam ha Liang Pyrshah kadai ban pen klan ya Liang Pyrshah hapo kayang darbar tauan ke jela. Ba Roni la pentip ru ba ya syuki opposition chief whip on simti hi ka Congress. La ban kedo ba MLA ka Malim na kasen Congress ba Roni Wilingdo ha ka arpunyo terek mentau benai wa ban kamno kum Nongialam ke Liang Pyrshah hadi megilaingot ki MLA ka Congress kila penyeso bat ke parti NPP.
You see, post of LO is a very important post. For example, now we have the State Security Commission. Okay, now if there is no LO, then from the opposition side there will be no representation in the State Security Commission, which is very, very crucial. Sometimes there are decisions that are taken, and maybe if there is the opposition, it will be a balanced and representation. You see, because after we have discussed, then Dr. Mukul Sangma and from my side, from the CLP, decided to come together and ensure that the post of LO is not left vacant, and being the senior most and having the most number from the opposition, because they are 5 members and with me it becomes 6. So we have proposed, and I hope the speaker will agree to our proposal. That is the understanding between the two parties, that since we have come together, they will take the post of LO, and CL from the Congress will take the post of opposition chief. We have written to the speaker. Now it's up to the prerogative of the speaker to accept our proposal. After the session is over, we will have a meeting and then pursue the case of these 3 MLAs. No. You see, in this case, because we have not formed an alliance as such. Okay. Since we felt there was a need that the post of LO should not be left vacant. Because as I said, it's not only in the House, but then we have certain committees where the LO is part of that committee. For example, like I cited the example of State Security Commission. Now that is a very, very important commission. So we felt the need that there should be representation from the opposition also.
meghalayapost.news.